Now you must have seen this idea trending online in which they hang frozen water bottles on the fans, which then blows cooler air. Personally, this is one of the best ways of hanging water bottles on the fan. You can get these bicycle water bottle hangers and they only cost a few pounds each. I've cable tied them up, but you can use a bolt screw and nut if you wish. It is best to open up the front cover while installing it to give you easy access. I placed one at the front and one at the back to balance it out, so there's no stress on the motor. As the ice will start dissolving, there will be a possibility of condensation dripping from the bottle, so you can place a cloth around the bottom of the fan to catch those drips. After switching on the fan, I could feel a slight cool breeze. Now I left it on for half an hour. The temperature remained the same, but the humidity came down slightly. Maybe if I left it on for a couple of hours, the temperature may slightly drop due to the cool breeze. And this also depends upon the room size. Personally myself, I would use a fan to cool me down or an air cooler. Placing ice bottles on a fan is a bonus, but it's not effective as I thought. This is why investing in an air cooler that uses a water tank, which is also known as an evaporative air cooler or a swamp cooler, will be the best option. An air conditioning unit is also another option, but depending upon health factors, so it's best to carry out your own research and see what suits you best. Stay cool guys, peace.